In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable USB debugging on your Android phone. For this video, I'll be using the Samsung Galaxy, but these instructions should apply to most Android phones. So first, what you want to do is open the Settings app, and in Settings, ensure that developer mode has been enabled. So if it hasn't been enabled, what you want to do is scroll until you find About Phone, select the build number, and tap on it 7 times. So once you've tapped on it 7 times, you can just go back, and then you can use the search bar to search for developer options. So you should see it here, so just tap on it like that, and as you can see, you've been brought to the developer options menu. Next, what you want to do is look for USB debugging. So scroll through until you find USB debugging. Now as you can see, mine is enabled, but if it's disabled like that, then what you want to do is just tap on the toggle, confirm you wish to turn it on, and then you can now go back. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.